Hey everybody, I wanted to show you this part of how to create a picture tutorial using Adobe Spark, which is what we're going to work on this Wednesday. So this is the week at a glance that I shared on Monday. For this, you're going to basically describe what your daily learning plan is. You get to create either a video or a picture like poster tutorial. So when I click on this link here, it'll take me to Adobe Spark. Now, Adobe Spark is great. It is a free app. It allows you to either access it on your computer or on your smartphone. So I actually downloaded it on my phone. It looks like that, and it's called Spark Post. And when you click on it, it'll take you to what looks a lot like what you're seeing on my computer screen. Now, when you sign in, I'm going to sign out so you can see what my sign in looks like. It'll ask me if I'm a teacher or student, or you can just sign in with your Google account. Since you are students, you're going to log in with your school account just so we can get whatever bonus that they might give us as a student or education. So we can continue with Google. Once you continue with Google, you're going to be sent to all of their variety of things that they can do with it. There's tons. So feel free to play on this. There's lots of stuff. You can do even Instagram things, Facebook, photo collage, presentations, the slideshow, which is what I show in the other tutorial for this project. But today we're going to do a photo collage. So I'm going to click on a photo collage. And what's great about this, you can pick from their stock photos, or I'm going to actually upload. Now you are going to upload your pictures. Since this is a personal daily plan, don't pick stuff that you do not have. I just went and I found some pictures just to make this quicker, but you need to take your own personal pictures for this, of your screenshot of your computer, of pictures of you actually doing what you're doing, depending on what your game plan is. Now be creative. Maybe your game plan is not just sitting at a computer desk all day, because that's most if you are not. Maybe part of your game plan is taking a walk. Maybe part of your game plan is jumping on your trampoline, or FaceTiming with your friends, or getting on Zoom with Mr. Wilhelm, whatever. Take pictures, post them on here. For this, you have to have at least six pictures. You can have more. I uploaded 6 and I hit next. Once you get there, you can pick whatever size. I find that the poster is nice to work with because it's nice and big and it's a good poster size. So I hit next. Gives me a whole bunch of different little like fun quotes as you work through this. And it pops them in automatically. So you can click, you can replace them, you can move them if you would rather, you can switch and swap them. If I click on it, I can click on the picture, I can upload more if I want to. If I click on the image, I can edit the scale, I can rotate it, I can make it bigger or smaller, whichever one you want to work. Once you have it, you can add. This add button is where you're going to put all the fun stuff, including text, which is important to this project. So I want more than just your pictures. You need to tell me what's going on. What's your first thing? So in text, I'm going to scooch me over for a moment. You can see they have lots of different templates, or you can just add your text and put a text box. I kind of like these buttons for what I'm doing for here. So I'm going to click on start from a template, and I'm going to click on, and it automatically, if I double click, or I can click and grab, it's going to grab this little button over here. So if I double click, it takes me here. Now I can edit it. I don't want it to say good morning, but I can say first step, healthy breakfast. So wherever that might be, I can resize this by grabbing it. I can grab it and put it where I want it to go. I don't like that color because it's difficult. So you're going to go over to the color over here and pick something that will stand out and pop so that you can actually read it. You should have 6 or more pictures. You can organize them however you want to, but make sure you also label them. Once you're finished with your entire collage, with all of what your daily plan is of what makes you successful, then I would come over here to the right, and you can either download this as a PNG, a PDF, whatever you want to. I'm going to download this real quick as a PNG so you can see it. It usually pops up right down at the bottom. What I also like about this is that you can share it If you invite collaborators to edit, you can add me if you want to. What I like even better is that when you publish it, you can publish it straight to Google Classroom, or you can get through email. But even better, grab that link, because if you click on link, it's going to create a link. Maybe once it creates a link, you can copy that link and upload it over in Google Classroom. Remember, in Google Classroom on the top right hand side, you can hit add or create, add the link, and here you just copy it. Whatever works best for you. I can't wait to see what you might create and see all the cool successes and things that you might do on your daily, or at least the days that you're working on your schoolwork, on how you are successful. Hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Please make sure you chat, email, send me a message. I'd be happy to help you if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.